You also mentioned chatbots. So have you been using them more in the context of clinical chats or more in an administrative context, let's say for enabling access and providing patients with information and self-service tools, or are you doing both?
Yeah, it's a great question. We're in the very relatively early stages of implementing our chatbot, and we're cutting our teeth on administrative functions. We will tread lightly in offering clinical advice through artificial intelligence, just more from a risk tolerance and quality assurance perspective than anything else, I think. But we're starting from an administrative place. To your point, access, some instructions, directions, wayfinding, touchless arrival, these sorts of things, and then we'll branch from there.
Is the approach to maybe start small, establish adoption levels, and make sure that the chats work effectively and people feel comfortable with it before you start going to more complex and maybe more high stakes, high risk kind of functions? Is that the approach?
Well, that's right. And we're also working very hard with these, the secret sauce about these platforms is not the platform themselves, but making certain that we know, for instance, if the patient has a remote monitoring device in their home, we're monitoring their blood pressure via home checks, and then they engage with us via chatbot, that our chatbot response is informed by the fact that they actually are a remote monitored patient, and we can get smart to our answer. And we would answer that patient differently via artificial intelligence, knowing that they had an RPM device, than if we knew that that patient didn't. And so it's this connection between these platforms that's really so intriguing to me.